Hi there. This project is a straightforward guide on changing the oil and oil filter on a 2012 Honda Odyssey. First, ensure you have the necessary materials: a Fram pH 7317 or equivalent oil filter and full synthetic SAE 0W20 engine oil. Tools required include an oil wrench, a 17 mm socket wrench, a funnel, and an oil drain container. To begin, remove the oil filler cap from the top of the engine to allow air to enter and facilitate the draining process. As depicted, the vehicle is parked on even ground, allowing time for the engine to cool to prevent potential burns. Using a jack, the front of the car was carefully raised and secured with sturdy jack stands. Position the oil drain container under the car's oil pan and locate the oil drain plug. Use a socket wrench to loosen and remove the plug, allowing the old oil to drain completely. Next, use an oil filter wrench to remove the old oil filter. Apply a thin layer of oil to the rubber gasket of the new oil filter before screwing it onto the engine by hand. Tighten it securely with the oil filter wrench. Once all the old oil has drained, reinstall the oil drain plug and wipe the drain plug area and filter surface clean with a rag to check for possible leakage. Insert a funnel into the oil filler cap opening and pour in the new engine oil as specified in your car's manual. Leave about 1 quart for later. Check for leaks around the drain plug and oil filter before replacing the oil filler cap and starting the engine. Let it run for a few minutes, then turn it off and wait for the oil to settle. Check the oil level using the dipstick and add more oil if needed. To reset the service alert for oil life, turn the car's key to the on position and press the switch on the lower right side of the video display to access the Service B1 screen. Hold the switch for 10 seconds, then rotate the selector to the reset position and press it again to return to 100%.